This is when Luffy earned an admiral's respect.
おい賭博のおっさん俺がわかるか
冷やしたね麦わらん
Every time Luffy stood up in front of an admiral, it didn't end well. Long Ring Long Land humbled him, Shaboti was a disaster, Marineford broke him, and फिर Dressrosa में he is again standing in front of another one. But इस बार कुछ तो different था. Moments like this is why I love One Piece, and if you do too, follow, because what Luffy did next had nothing to do with his strength. He did something no pirate would normally do. He made the fight fair. Instead कि वो फुजितारो के blindness का फायदा लेता, he started to announce his attacks out loud so that an admiral who couldn't see wouldn't be at a disadvantage. At first फुजितारो को समझ नहीं आया, and admiral being told where the next punch was coming from, it sounded like mockery, and for a second the air got heavier. But Luffy, he wasn't laughing. He wasn't flexing, he was serious. Because to Luffy, it wasn't just about beating an admiral, it had to be a fair fight. Even though Fujitaro understood Luffy wasn't mocking him, the real moment didn't even come during the fight. Because unfortunately, Luffy ये fight कभी finish कर ही नहीं पाया. Not because he was scared, but because उसकी crew उसका wait कर रही थी. And he had to run. But Fujitaro, he was ready to end it. He lifted his sword, the sky darkened, and a meteor was coming down. And that's when something unexpected happened. वहाँ पर Dressrosa के सारे citizens आ गए. They pretended to chase Luffy and capture him, but actually they were blocking the Marines, an entire country protecting a pirate. They weren't angry for kidnapping the princess. They weren't demanding justice for King Riku. They were protecting a man who saved them. And in that moment, Fujitaro को समझ आ गया that he wasn't just another pirate. He was someone people were willing to stand in front of an admiral for. And he said he wished he wasn't blind, so that he could see the face of the man they called a hero.
What a pity. Wish I could use these eyes one last time to see the face of a man like you. I'm sure it's filled to the brim with kindness.
That is when Luffy earned an admiral's respect. Do you think any other pirate would have done this?